Hello, and welcome to our video on how to do push-ups at home. Push-ups are a great exercise that work your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core muscles. They are a compound exercise that doesn't require any equipment, so you can do them anywhere. Before we get started, let's go over the correct form for a push-up. Start in a high plank position with your hands shoulder width apart and your fingers pointing forward. Keep your feet together, and your body in a straight line from head to heels. Lower your body until your chest touches the floor, and then push back up to the starting position. Here are some common mistakes to avoid. Don't let your hips sag, don't let your elbows flare out too much, and don't let your head drop. Now that you know the proper form, let's go over a few variations of push-ups you can do at home. The first variation is the knee push-up. This is a great option if you're a beginner or if you're struggling with the full push-up. Start in a high plank position, but with your knees on the floor. Lower your body until your chest touches the floor, and then push back up to the starting position. The second variation is the wide push-up. This works your chest muscles more than the standard push-up. Start in a high plank position, but with your hands wider than shoulder width apart. Lower your body until your chest touches the floor, and then push back up to the starting position. The third variation is the diamond push-up. This works your triceps more than the standard push-up. Start in a high plank position, but with your hands close together and your thumbs touching to form a diamond shape. Lower your body until your chest touches your hands, and then push back up to the starting position. Finally, the fourth variation is the incline push-up. This is a great option if you're struggling with the standard push-up. Find a sturdy surface such as a bench, a table, or a step, and place your hands on it. Keep your body straight, and lower your chest towards the surface. Push back up to the starting position. Remember to keep your core engaged, and breathe in on the way down, and breathe out on the way up. That's it for today's video on how to do push-ups at home. We hope you found these tips helpful. Remember to start with a variation that suits your fitness level, and gradually work your way up to the standard push-up. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more workout tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.